let's go back to our modules real quick. I want to go back to my favorites because I have them all put in there today for what we're going to do. Now, in the talk of doing the digital marketing, we started with the irresistible offer, okay? And in the irresistible offer side, I'm going to go up to marketing, creating the ultimate offer. If you didn't do that yesterday or last week, it's really not that difficult to do, right? You're just going to describe your product or service, describe the offer that you want to do. Well, let's just do it because I mean, it's very simple and easy. I think I have my stuff here still. Let me see. It's right here. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm just going to put in a definition. Like I'm going to use Ruby as the example here. So I'm going to put in a little bit the products and service. As good as we always have to emphasize, the better that the input is, the better the output will be. So making sure that you're definitely putting in as much of the information as detailed as you can is going to definitely help the outcome. Now for this one here, my offer that I wanted to create is I want to do like a pamphlet, or that's the wrong one. Let me get this one. I want to do a free guide that they can download maybe from a landing page about 10xing your business with Ruby. Okay, so that's what my lead is. That's what my offer is going to be out there. Now the offer type, I can have a lot of different types. I can do surveys or quizzes or whatever. This is actually going to be a report guide, right? So I'm just going to kind of let them download a guide, and then I'm going to hit generate. It's going to put out not just 10 different headlines that I could use for my lead magnet. It's going to give me ideas of deliverables. So like, yes, I want to do a report guide. That's what I told it, but it's going to give me 10 ideas as well that I can do. And maybe those are subsidies of that. Maybe they're in the one-time offer, or maybe they're upsells, or maybe there's something that I could send back. Like they got enrolled, they got something going, but they haven't done anything else, and I've got something else to send them. It also is going to generate 10 subheadlines. So now I've got my headlines, I've got deliverable ideas, I've got subheadlines for those. I've also got the descriptions of things that would be with the landing page, like eye-catching image of Ruby AI's interface, showcasing it with user-friendly design, before and after comparisons of content quality with or without Ruby AI. These are all things that you're talking about showing onto the landing page. Then it's got sales copy. This one's giving you 3 different versions and the word counts for each of those. So you can choose where and what words you're pushing into that landing page. And then the one big way to always relieve stress in sales is to remove the risk, right? So that's where your guarantees can come in. It will give you some options for those. And then scarcity ideas. These are suggestions that you're going to be forcing a little bit of, hey, that's fear of loss. Let's get it right now, right? And so limited time offer, we were talking about 10x, or, if we were talking about the double, as a limited time. So I might put limited time offer, get this now. That's going to create the urgency. And so it gives you all these ideas. So this was the first thing. So from here, you can go and you can design exactly what you want, but maybe you don't know how to go make an infographic. I'm just going to be honest, and Corey can attest to this. Infographics are one of the hardest things to create because you don't have much space and you're trying to be creative, trying to condense it down. And so what did we do? Well, the first thing we did is we put in some new modules for you to start to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over. I always like to keep my markdown, so I'll put those in just so we have that. I'm going to close up this one, but